Okay, thank you.
So I would invite Sapna Modgil to welcome the guest, student, and briefing the partnership of Cisco with the NIT Foundation. So Sapna Madam, please.
Ma'am, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Vijay.
Thank you.
So happy to see our wonderful students here in this event. I can see more than 415 students joining us in this event, which is wonderful. So a warm welcome to you all. And I would like to start by welcoming Honorable Mr. Nakul Nath, Member of Parliament from Chhindwara, Mr. Harish Krishnan, Managing Director, Public Affairs and Strategic Engagement, Cisco India and SAARC, Mr. Murugan Vasudevan, Head South Asia Social Innovation Group, Cisco, and the amazing Cisco CSR and Skills team, Anurag, Ishwinder, and Narantara. NIT Foundation and Cisco have had a long partnership, starting with the first skill development center in Chhindwara in 2008. That's like 12 years back. At that time, Mr. Wilm Elfrink, he was Executive Vice President Cisco Services. He was invited by Mr. Kamal Nath to participate in the growth story of Chhindwara. Innovative business ideas from 12 Chhindwara students were appreciated by Cisco at that time, and their business consultant offered them training in Delhi and Chhindwara to replicate and grow their ideas. So Cisco has consistently focused on what support can be provided to enable the youth of India, and Chhindwara has always been a special interest. Starting with supporting 50 students as a pilot project in 2009, today Cisco is supporting over 7,000 students in Chhindwara, offering them skilling in various cutting-edge technologies such as IoT, cybersecurity, and CCNA. I would like to close by saying that forward-looking partnerships like the one we have with Cisco really make a meaningful difference on the ground. We in these kind of partnerships, we work together to find a solution to the local problems on the ground. And these partnerships are the ones that we need for skilling youth and making them employable in a rapidly digitizing India. So thank you so much. Over to you, Vijay.
Thank you so much, Sapna Modgil, ma'am. It's a beautiful briefing and sharing. Now I invite Harish Krishnan, Managing Director at Cisco System India, SAARC, Co-founder, Public Affairs Forum of India. So Harish Krishnan, sir, please.
Thank you, Vijay, and Sri Nakul, Kamal Nath, Swapna, and friends from NIT Foundation and students. Again, Swapna talked about how we started. Actually, frankly, when I participate in this, I also get very nostalgic. I think it was my first meeting after I joined Cisco that I met up with Mr. Kamal Nath along with Vim, and he asked us to go to Chhindwara and see for ourselves what's going on there. And I remember Vim and I and Vijay Tarani from NIT flew in a very small plane and landed in somewhat what looked like a national highway in an improvised airfield. I remember how nervous I was when I first landed in Chhindwara, and we were taken to the NIT Foundation's finishing school. I think the problem statement then was that there was a lot of these students who were graduating or coming out of colleges in rural areas, but they were unable to get jobs. Essentially, they would all go to Wipro, Infosys, perhaps NIT, Cisco, but not passed the interview. And I think that's from there the whole finishing school idea came about. I think it was a great partnership of NIT Foundation, along with likes of Infosys, TCS, and then Cisco, of course, came in later to kind of reimburse the fees of the students. So the students only paid about 33% of their fees. And I very distinctly remember the first interaction with the students in the NIT Foundation in Chindwara. Basically, I remember we asked the question to all the students there, saying, how many of you would want to go to Mumbai or Delhi or Chennai and join one of those big companies? And we all expected everybody to raise their hands, and frankly, nobody raised their hands. So then we asked the question, what do you exactly want to do? They said, look, we would like to be in Chindwara. And actually, some of them said they want to become entrepreneurs. Others said they want to, join companies in the vicinity. And one of the things that we tried doing then was to create an entrepreneurship fund. And we actually, like I think what Sapna mentioned, helped a few young startups. We not only gave them some seed money, we also had our colleagues from Cisco, not only from India, but more than India, people from the US who were actually giving mentoring to these young entrepreneurs. So that is our first experience. Then, of course, we moved on to setting up our own training centers along with NIT Foundation in Chindwara and Baruki. And I've visited Chindwara multiple times, so I've seen for myself all the development that has happened there. And like I said, 2008 was 1 year after I joined Cisco, and this probably was our first CSR event, so to speak. And now we are spread all over India and doing a lot of work. And again, I'm very happy to note that we have in 2019-20 trained over 7,000 people in this region, and 1,500 of them have gone on to take on long-term career programs like the Cisco Certified Network Associate Program. So I'm also very happy to announce today that we'll be doing this scholarship for the Corona-impacted families in Chindwara. We're going to do a Cisco scholarship of 200 students. We got this feedback that many of the families who have been impacted by Corona would like some financial support. We really want this program to continue. We really want the students to continue learning what they're learning, and therefore, in our own small way, we have decided to extend the scholarship to 200 students. I'm so happy that there are 450 students who are participating in this event. Again, when we started this initiative, and like I said, a lot of the students said, we want to stay back in Chindwara and work. And one of the things that we tried to do then was to encourage some rural BPOs to come. And I remember still that we had this Rural Shores, who's now headed by a former NIT Foundation person who was very instrumental in us all coming to Chindwara in the first place, Neeraj. So Rural Shores was set up in Chindwara. The whole idea was to kind of use the local resources there. Perhaps we were a little ahead of our time. Now with Corona happening, we are seeing all of us are working from home. I am working from home, and I think Swapna is working from home. And I think we're all now got used to this new normal of working from home, working from anywhere for that matter. So the place becomes pretty immaterial. So there could be new opportunities for Chindwara. All you need is a very strong infrastructure, a good broadband infrastructure, and a good skilled manpower, and you might be able to get jobs in your own neighborhood. So I'm sure each one of you students who are graduating today have all gone through this course and immensely benefited from this. This is one of our very successful programs, and it's got a very good track record of giving employment to people who came out of this. So I wish you the very best, and look at every crisis as an opportunity. This could be an opportunity, and I'm sure all of you would leverage. Again, a great pleasure in being associated with the NIT Foundation and with Chindwara. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Harish sir. You triggered all the old memories, and certainly looking forward to take the initiative ahead. And yes, of course, we would certainly try to impact the lot, the rural students by this wonderful training. Now, there have been so many students are placed under the Cisco sponsorship, but towards the interest of time, we have been identified few of the students who are willing to share their experiences once they join the company. So typically the experiences of their workplaces. So I would request the Sakshi Bharadwaj. She got placed in the TCS. So Sakshi, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sakshi Bharadwaj from Chhindwara, and currently I'm working for TCS, and I have done CCNA course from NIIT Chhindwara under Cisco sponsorship program. This course that I did had played a key role for getting me this job, because all the course that I'm having, like related to networking hardware, it is working well for me in the profile, in the networking profile. I am as a system administrator, which had helped me in my job, and like I'm working very well. Like currently I'm working from home, and like getting appreciation about my work. So yeah, it's a very good course, and this course has really worked well for me, and I never regret to go. Like it was a new course, CCNA, and getting here in Chinwada is very good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. We know, we all witness are that how much pain you took to take the training, and really appreciate to work in the TCS. We often got the feedback from TCS that you have been doing wonderfully there. So I invite the next placed candidate, Mr. Saurabh Suryavanshi. He has been placed in the Renovision Automation Services. So Saurabh, please. Yeah, Saurabh, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Saurabh, please go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Hello, sir. My name is Saurabh Shravanshi from Chhindwara. I belong to a middle class family. Then I got the opportunity take a training, Cisco, sponsorship by NIT Foundation. Then I have learned network, hardware, both course, certificates course, and then I have selected in Renovision Automation Private Limited, and I'm also working from networking field, and they have lots of experience with the help of networking devices, hardware devices like router configuration, switch configuration, and many protocols I have learned in this field. So I'm so happy for doing this best course. Then I am here for doing this job. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Saurabh. Yeah, we know that you used to spend too much time, so much time in the networking lab, and also you started working in your English communication as well, and now you've been heading in the Renovision Automation Services. So that's great, and the wonderful sharing. Thank you so much, Saurabh.
Thank you.
Now I invite Honorable Nakul Nathji, Member of Parliament, to please address the students who are undergoing the training, the training in the sponsorship of Cisco. So yes, Nakul Nath sir, please.
So I would like to start by saying thank you for having me on this very special occasion. I would like to congratulate Cisco NIIT for this glorious occasion. Cisco, as Sapna ji mentioned, I want to correct her. NIIT started in 2007, not 2008. And my association uh, with Cisco, of course, has been since 2007. But I must share this experience with my fellow students and the Cisco team and the NIIT team. When I was studying in the US, and I had gone for my spring break to San Francisco. I happened to bump into your founder, one of your founders, Sandy Lerner. And at that time, I was still a student. He was senior to me, and he was talking about this IT company. And in 1994 and 1995, IT was not that prevalent as it is today. So, starting from 94, 95, Cisco has always been on my radar, my father's radar, and in 2007, when, as Harish ji said, he landed on a national highway lookalike airstrip. Harish ji, I would like to tell you, please visit Chinwara once more. Your learning experience will not be as bad as the first time. When I took over as member of parliament, I presented to the youth of my district that I will focus on two issues. I will focus on education and I will focus on health. I have completed 1 year as member of parliament, and I would like to present to the students, to the future of Chinwara, what I have done in the field of education. We started the process just before the Lok Sabha elections in 2019 of setting up of, of, of a university in Chinwara. Today, I'm happy to state that we have allocated the land to Chinwara University. Students are going to take and have taken admission in Chinwara University. The master plan of Chinwara University has been approved by the government, and in the next 2 years, we will see the campus of Chinwara University coming up. I also took this initiative of making Chinwara a medical hub. Chinwara Institute of Medical Sciences, the campus is already up, and I'm very happy to say that the foundation stone laying ceremony was held 4 months ago, and not only in Madhya Pradesh but in entire central India, Chinwara Hospital, Chinwara Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital will be the largest super specialty hospital in central India. My father had always concentrated on skill development. We concentrated on skill development because we are from a backward tribal area. Today, I'm very happy and I'm proud to say this, that out of all the 530 constituencies, Chinwara is the single constituency which has the highest number of skill development centers. Prime Minister Modi said 4 years ago, Skill India. But I'm happy to state that we adopted in Chinwara skill development in 2007. Prime Minister recently said Atmanirbhar Bharat. I'm very happy to state that we are Atma Nirbhar Chinwara. And I would like to conclude by stating that Chinwara remains and committed to the youth and the future of Chinwara. I would also like to tell my fellow students, it is my dream that people don't leave Chinwara and go elsewhere to seek jobs and opportunities, but people from all over India come to Chinwara to get their job and opportunity. I would once again like to thank NIIT and Cisco Foundation for being an integral part in Chinwara's growth and future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Nakul Nath sir. We understand and we are the witness that how you are supporting to the NIT Foundation and all the the skill centers in and around Chhindwara. And under your inspiration and the support, we have been driving this mission successfully, and we have been catering the maximum number of students from the rural areas. And again, the same initiative will be driven in this particular era, and we will find out the best opportunities for them, and to ensure that we should provide them the quality education. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, there are the students who are undergoing the training, and they are learning the so many things from the portal under the Cisco sponsorship. So there are many students. So out of which, like there are two students who are willing to share their training experiences. So I'll invite them, the Mahesh Ghatode. So Mahesh, you please come forward and just switch on your camera and plus share your training experience. So Mahesh, please.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, मेरा नाम महेश घाटोड़े है सर। मैं बीएससी में स्टडी कर रहा हूँ सर। मैं हमेशा से आईटी सेक्टर में काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड, लेकिन मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होने के कारण मैं अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में नहीं बना पा रहा था।
महेश, कैन योर वॉइस बी लाउडर? थोड़ा सा आपका आवाज बड़ा हो जाएगा।
यस सर।
या प्लीज।
मैं बीएससी में मैं हमेशा से आईटी सेक्टर में काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं होने के कारण मैं अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में नहीं बना पा रहा था। लेकिन सिस्को द्वारा दी गई ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी सीसीएनए स्पॉन्सरशिप से मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में बना सकूंगा। सीसीएनए स्पॉन्सरशिप में हमें नेटवर्किंग के बारे में संपूर्ण नॉलेज दिया गया है, जिसमें आईपी एड्रेसिंग, लैन वैन, हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग, राउटर, स्विचेस, प्रोटोकॉल इत्यादि के बारे में सिखाया गया है, जिसे मैं प्रैक्टिकल में कर पा रहा हूँ। सिस्को द्वारा दिए गए सीसीएनए स्पॉन्सरशिप से मैं अपना करियर नेटवर्किंग या आईटी सेक्टर में देख पा रहा हूँ। साथ ही सिस्को द्वारा प्रोवाइडेड प्रॉपर गाइडेंस की वजह से मैं कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा हूँ और अपना उज्जवल भविष्य देख पा रहा हूँ। ट्रेनर ने हमें प्रॉपर गाइडेंस के साथ हमारी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस को इम्प्रूव किया है, करने के लिए अच्छा मार्गदर्शन किया है। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much, Mahesh. Thank you so much. I would like to invite Rituja Oria, who is been going under the training of CCN. So Rituja, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Rituja, please go ahead.
Okay. Hello, my name is Rituja Oria. I am from Badkui and I am a BCA graduate. Now I am doing CCNA training from NIT Foundation. So sir, मुझे ग्रेजुएशन के बाद MCA करना था, बट मेरी फैमिली फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है। इतना एक्सपेंसिव स्टडी मुझे नहीं करा पाती, कहीं बाहर भी मैं नहीं जा पाती। फिर मुझे आईटी फील्ड में ही जॉब करना था, अपना करियर उसी में बनाना था। दैन मुझे मेरे ही एरिया में सिस्को का सीसीएनए ट्रेनिंग का पता चला। देन मैंने इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन किया। ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स मुझे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, राउटिंग एंड स्विचिंग में कैसे वर्क जाता है, टोपोलॉजी, वीलैंस, और केबल कैसे कनेक्टिविटी की जाती है, कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है, मुझे ये सब उसमें सिखाया गया। इस नॉलेज से मेरी स्किल्स बहुत अच्छे से डेवलप हुई है एंड मैं अपना करियर इस फील्ड में बनाना क्लियर देख पा रही हूँ। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू सिस्को एंड एनआईटी फाउंडेशन जिन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much, Rituja. Thank you so much. Now, sir, there are many participants in this particular event, and they are keen to, ask few questions to the guest. But it's not possible towards the interest of time, so we will capture their all the questions in chat window. But there are two candidates who would be asking the questions. So I'll invite Divyani to please ask the question. This is a question and answer the last phase of this particular meet, sir. Yeah, Divyani, please share your question.
So maybe while Devyani comes in, maybe Rahul, if you can ask. Rahul is there who wanted to ask a question. Rahul, if you can ask. You are unmuted now.
So sir, my question is, जो CCNA का ग्लोबल सर्टिफिकेशन होता है उसके लिए हमें बाहर जाना होता है, उसका एक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर इंदौर में है, तो क्या ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल हो सकती है कि छिंदवाड़ा में सर्टिफिकेशन करने के लिए बाहर ना जाना पड़े, छिंदवाड़ा में हो सके?
Harish ji, would you like to answer this or?
Yeah. So let me ask Murugan, my colleague. I think he's heading our network academy to answer this question.
So I think your question was you have to go to Indore to write the exam. Am I correct? I think that's the understanding. So the training you can still get it at NIT Foundation. Exam centers are in Indore is what you're saying. We will take that feedback and we'll see what are the centers near Chindwara maybe and make sure that there is good coverage there. Exam centers is something we don't run. It is run by another company. We'll we'll at least give some feedback back to you through Amar and the NIT Foundation team.
So I hope, Rahul, you got the answer of question. Yeah. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I'll invite the Divyani. Divyani, please come up with a question.
Yes, sir. Sir, what opportunities
please.
are to IT in Chhindwara and MP so that it is safe for female candidates?
Okay.
That's a very good question. We have always had this problem of unemployment from the beginning. Now, with this coronavirus, the problem of unemployment has greatly risen not only in Chhindwara but across the country. You are totally aware in IT sector, Chhindwara has the maximum number of call centers from Aegis, Rural Shore, IFB and TCS. My objective as a member of parliament is to secure employment not only for girls but for everyone. I am focusing on something which is IT related and not IT related. I am focusing on tourism. Tourism in Chhindwara will provide employment to so many thousands of youngsters like you, Devyani. In tourism, there is also IT. So we focused on education, we focused on the medical sector. My new focus is going to be on tourism. We are going to promote wildlife tourism. We are going to promote religious tourism. We are going to promote adventure sports tourism. In Machagora Dam on the lake, we are going to promote water sports tourism. And I can assure you, in all these 4 points that I've mentioned, IT sector will have a very, very big role to play, and I can assure you that you will not be disappointed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Divani, I guess you got the answer, right?
Sir.
Yeah. So thank you. So there are so many questions on the chat window. So like we will capture those all the questions, and we will share the answers on your email IDs. And the questions will be forwarded to the relevant person, and accordingly the answers will be mailed to you. So thank you so much. So I would invite the Amar Gupta for the vote of thanks. So Amar sir, please.
So thank you, Vijay. I think it's my honor to really, first of all, thank Honorable Nakul Nath to be a part of this event and to really spare his time, because I have been associated with this particular program since 2010. And I've not seen any constituency which has developed like Chhindwara has done. I have visited there so many times. I think the development that Chhindwara has seen, I don't see any other constituency has ever thought about such development. And I think this has only been possible because of Mr. Kamal Nath and Mr. Nakul Nath's broad vision in terms of really looking at creating skill and then bringing the industry there. And I would really want you to thanks a lot from deep from my heart to entire Cisco team, Harish, Murugan, and entire Ishwinder and Nayantara, entire Cisco team, because they have been so instrumental. Whenever we have been talking about, always MP has been on the top agenda. They have always been talking about what can we do differently in Chhindwara? How can we really do something in Chhindwara? I think this has really motivated us to ensure that we bring deep demonstrable impact in Chhindwara. Every year we have been looking at increasing our number of beneficiaries in Chhindwara, and 7,000 is not a small number, it's a big number. And I can really vouch you over here that we are looking at to make this partnership so huge that each and every youth, we are not only focusing on youth, but every individual in Chhindwara would be trained using this particular partnership. And I think the scholarship that Harish has just announced, I think it will really expand the overall horizon, specifically to really underprivileged youth who has been really backwardly hit by the coronavirus. So I would really deeply thanks a lot. I would like to deeply thanks Harish for this gesture for specifically Chhindwara as a district. I think that will really means a lot for a particular student. And none of the less, I think a bright student who are here in Chhindwara, we are really so blessed to have such a great student who are now working in TCS, Wipro, Gensar. Some of the students we are looking at maybe hopefully would one of the employee at Cisco as well. And they would also be connecting us as a part of the Cisco team. I think your motivation, you are the real motivation for all of us who are there, either from Cisco or maybe for Mr. Nakul Nath, Kamal Nath. I think you are the real motivation and you are the real heroes for us. So thanks a lot for being participative in this particular event. Though a lot of other students wanted to be participated, I'm sure we will keep hosting this. We will also keep hosting, you can say, a technical session from Cisco. But this really means a lot, and we wish you all the best for your bright future. We will do our level best in order to look at what best that we can deliver to Chhindwara students. So thanks a lot for being a part of this session. And best of luck for your bright future. And thanks everybody to be part of this session.
Thank you for having
Thank
me,
you, Amar
and
sir.
best wishes to all the students.
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also say thanks to the Corona who gave us the opportunity to come everybody at the one platform. And yes, we all are on the same page, and we are definitely committed to take the initiative forward successfully. So thank you. So I declare this event is finished. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.